Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore NetSuite integration with Salesforce CRM, full guide step by step clearly. To restore NetSuite integration with Salesforce CRM, begin by identifying the issue with your current integration. Check the integration status in both NetSuite and Salesforce to ensure connectivity. Access the integration settings in Salesforce by navigating to the app launcher and selecting NetSuite connector. Review the connection details, including the API credentials to ensure they are correctly entered. Next, log into your NetSuite account and navigate to Setup, then Integration. Confirm that the integration record for Salesforce is active and properly configured. If the integration record is inactive, edit the record and update the status to active. Next, verify that the roles and permissions assigned to the integration user in NetSuite grant necessary access to perform updates. Return to Salesforce and examine the integration logs for any error messages that could indicate a problem. If errors are found, address them by adjusting settings or permissions as needed. Retest the integration by initiating data sync between both platforms. Monitor the synchronization process for any additional errors. If you continue to experience issues, consider reviewing community forums or support documentation for known issues. If necessary, consult with your NetSuite and Salesforce support teams to resolve complex issues. Once the integration is functioning correctly, document the configuration for future reference. Regularly monitor the integration performance to ensure it continues to operate smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.